The best teams aren't built in conference rooms. They're built through meaningful moments when people create something together. Our virtual corporate cooking experiences bring teams into the same rhythm, no matter where they are. Collaborating, connecting, and creating while enjoying the process.
We are going to cook them in 2 times. And I did season this just a teeny bit already, so I'm not going to do any more seasoning.
No icebreakers, no awkward activities, no pressure. Just a tasty, hands-on cooking experience that's fun and builds connections through team-based events and our wellness-focused virtual cooking club. We handle everything so you can focus on your team.